Hi, I'm Danny Lipford. Fall is a perfect time of the year to pick up on your annual checklist. And here's a few things that should be on that list. Number one, call your heating professional. Have them out to your house to do a thorough inspection of your furnace, whether it's a natural gas or propane. They'll be able to tell you if it's working safely and if it's working as efficiently as it should. They'll do all of the cleaning and inspection and check for any leaks that may be there, and then you'll have a much better, efficient system as well as a lot more of a comfort level for your family. Now, one thing that you can do and should be doing all throughout the year is keep your furnace filter changed. Now you can tell this is a new one, this is an old one. Obviously it's done a pretty good job in trapping a lot of the dirt and debris and particles that can get inside a system and make it less efficient. Plus you're really affecting the indoor air quality of your home by keeping this nice and clean. Now you want to keep your family safe and you want to have a good comfort level. You can do that very easily by installing a smoke detector as well as a carbon monoxide detector. These are things that, again, very inexpensive and very easy to install. You know, when we talk about the furnace inspection, it's amazing that recently there was a survey by the Propane Education and Research Council that showed that only 1 out of 4 homeowners have their furnace inspected on an annual basis. Those numbers really need to go up, and that's something that you can do by just picking up a phone and calling a qualified heating contractor to take care of that little project for you. You'll also want to make sure that you don't use this as a storage area. Don't let anything start building up around here. Keep it nice and clean. Now you can find out a lot of other information that can help you around your home by going to the website usepropane.com, or you can drop by your natural gas or propane supplier in your area. They got some great brochures, great tips that can help you have a safer home this winter.